Have you ever frozen when someone says, "Tell me a little about yourself"?
Maybe you know English words, but suddenly your mind goes blank.
Don't worry. Today we're going to make introductions simple, natural, and fun.
By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to talk about yourself with confidence in English.
Hey everyone, welcome back to our English Learning Podcast.
We're so happy you're here.
Today's lesson is something every English learner needs.
That's right. We're talking about how to introduce yourself in English.
And not in a boring way.
Exactly. We want you to sound natural and confident.
Let's imagine a situation.
Okay.
You join a new English class. The teacher smiles and says, "Please introduce yourself."
And suddenly,
your brain says, "Uh-oh."
That happens to so many learners.
So let's make it easy.
The easiest place to start is your name.
Simple and clear.
For example, you can say, "My name is Anna," or simply, "I'm Anna."
Most people use the shorter version. For example, "I'm Alex."
Now it's your turn.
Pause the video and say your name out loud.
Ready?
Go.
After your name, people often ask where you're from. You can say, "I'm from Brazil," "I'm from Japan," or "I'm from Egypt."
You can also add more details.
For example, "I was born in Mexico, but I live in Canada."
That's a very natural answer.
Quick challenge. Can you say your country in English?
Try it now.
Next comes a very common question.
What do you do?
People often want to know your job or what you study.
You can say, "I'm a nurse,"
or "I'm a university student,"
or "I work in a bank."
Maybe you run a small business.
Remember, your answer doesn't need to be long.
Short answers work perfectly.
Now let's make your introduction more interesting.
Add a hobby or something you enjoy.
For example, "I enjoy cooking."
Or, "I love taking photos when I travel."
People remember interesting details.
That's true. Stories are easier to remember than lists.
Let me give a full example.
Go ahead.
"Hi everyone, I'm Alex. I'm from Seattle. I work as an English teacher. I enjoy hiking and drinking way too much coffee, and I can never remember where I put my keys."
That sounds funny and very real.
Sadly, it's true.
Let me try one.
We're listening.
"Hi everyone, I'm Emma. I'm from California. I work with students every day. I love reading books and trying new recipes. Every weekend, I tell myself I'll wake up early, but it never happens."
That's very honest.
I know.
You could also talk about your family.
For example, "I have 2 sisters."
Or, "I'm married."
Or, "I have 1 son."
Some people say, "I live with my parents."
Share only what you're comfortable sharing.
Another great conversation topic is your favorite things.
Favorite food.
Favorite sport.
Favorite movie.
Favorite hobby.
For example, "My favorite food is sushi."
Or, "I love watching soccer."
These details help people connect with you.
Let's practice together.
I'll ask the questions.
And everyone listening can answer.
"What's your name?" Pause. "Where are you from?" Pause. "What do you do?" Pause. "What do you enjoy doing in your free time?" Pause.
Great job.
See, you're already introducing yourself in English. Here's a common mistake many learners make.
They think they need perfect English. You don't.
People care more about communication than perfection.
If your introduction is simple and clear, that's enough.
Confidence grows when you practice.
Let's build a complete introduction.
Here's an example.
"Hi, my name is David. I'm from South Korea. I'm an office worker. I enjoy playing basketball and listening to music. Nice to meet you."
Perfect.
Short.
Friendly.
Natural.
Before we finish, here's your challenge.
Create your own introduction using 5 points.
Your name,
Your country,
your job or studies,
your hobby.
and 1 interesting fact about yourself.
Say it out loud 3 times.
Each time, you'll feel more confident.
That's all for today's lesson.
We hope you feel more comfortable introducing yourself in English.
Remember, you don't need perfect English.
Just be yourself,
Practice a little every day.
and your speaking skills will improve faster than you think.
Thanks for spending time with us.
We'll see you in the next lesson.
Bye, everyone.